What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a Volkswagen Tiguan. We're going to be working on a 2019 VW Tiguan in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the right hand side, there's this latch right here. I'm just going to push this latch up and it will disconnect like that. Now what we need to do is fold the glove box down, and there's two stops that are preventing it from coming down. One right here. There's another one just like it on that side. So what I'm going to do is push that stop up like that, and it will allow the glove box to come down a little bit. If you have both your hands free, it's easier to do these both at the same time. Once we get our glove box folded down, we can take a look behind here, and this honeycomb shaped thing right here, this is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. There's a notch, or a little latch on the right hand side, a tab rather, that we can pull and fold down. Get that access door off. Now we can see our actual cabin filter right here. This cabin filter will just slide out like this. When you install your new filter, you want to make sure you're paying attention to the airflow arrows. You want your airflow arrows pointing down towards the ground. So go ahead, slide your new filter in, again with your airflow arrows pointing down. Once you have your filter all the way in, we can grab our access door. And these three tabs on the bottom is what I'm going to line up first. They'll go in those little slots like that. And then that will snap shut. And we can pick the glove box up till those two stops clear. And then the final thing we need to do is reattach our latch right here. So you just line it up into that little channel, like that, and then push it down to lock it into place. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.